students, for last few days we are going through the chapter Trigonometry, and in our last class we have started the exercise 8.1, and in 8.1 one question is left. Now, before we do that question and proceed further, let us discuss whatever we have studied. First, very first day, we come to know the meaning of the word trigonometry. The trigonometry word, the word came from three Greek words, that is tri, gon, and metria. Tri means three, gon means sides, and metria means measurement. So if we include all these three words together, that means measurement of three sides of a triangle. Then we come to know that trigonometry relates to what type of triangle? It relates to right angle triangle. Then whether it will not be related to other triangle? Yes, it will relate to other triangle as well, provided we have to draw a perpendicular from vertex to the base. Then after that we have studied about the 6 trigonometric ratios. 6 trigonometric ratios. Now, if I represent, suppose this is sine, this is cos, and this is tan. Please see, this is sine, this is cos, this is tan. These are the 3 trigonometric ratios, and other three are related to these three by as a reciprocal. Then how the reciprocal? You see, if sine reciprocal is cosec. So sine and cosec 2. Sine and cosec 2. Then if sec, then it will be cos. If cos, then sec. So these are another 2. And if it is tan, then it is cot. So this is 2. Tan cot, sec cosec, or sec cos, or cos sec, and sine cosec. So these are the 6 trigonometric ratios. These are the 6 trigonometric ratios. That is, 2 blue represent tan and cot, 2 green represent cos and sec, 2 black represent sine and cosec. So these are the 6 trigonometric ratios. After that, we got very, very important 3 formulae. What are these? Sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Number 2, sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Number 3, cosec square theta minus cos square theta equal to 1. Earlier we got how many? 6. These 3. 6 plus 3, 9. And then we have seen that from each of the 3 formulae we can get another 12. So ultimately how many? 9 plus 12 equal to 21 formula we got. Now let us start for today's that question number 10, that whichever is left. Exercise 8.1. Let's see. Draw a right angle triangle. A right angle at Q, P, R. Now, PR plus QR equal to 25. PQ equal to 5. PR plus QR equal to 25. Now suppose this is X, then what will be QR? Then QR will be 25 minus X. 25 minus X. Now let's see. Now we'll use the Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, PQ square plus QR square equal to PR square. Now substitute the value. 5 square plus 25 minus x equal to x square. Then what is that? 25 plus 25 square minus 2 into 25 into x plus x square equal to x square. Now x square cancel. Then how much we'll get? 25 plus 625 equal to 50x. Implies 50x equal to 650. Implies what is that? X equal to 650 by 50. So 0, 0 cancel, 5 and 65 cancel, it will be 13. So x equal to 13 means PR equal to 13 centimeter. Therefore, and QR equal to 25 minus 13 centimeter equal to how much? 12 centimeter. Okay? So my dear student, first of all you draw the diagram, then you consider 1 because sum of the 2 given. Then when sum of the 2 is there, you will subtract one from the sum, you will get the other one. So we got QR. And then we have used that Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, that is altitude square plus base square equal to hypotenuse square. So we got, then x equal to, we got 13, so x is 13. If x is 13, 25 minus 13 equal to 12. So QR is 12 centimeter, PR is 13 centimeter. So this is the solution of question number 10. Now, state whether the following are true or false and justify your answer. The value of 10a is always less than 1. My dear student, actually as of now you did not get the values of different angle method. When you will get, then you will see that 10 is not less than 1 every time. Okay? So that's why it is false. In the next exercise and next explanation we will get that. Next, sec A equal to 12 by 5 for some values of angle A. Then let us check once whether is it possible or not. Sec A equal to 12 by 5. 12 by 5. Now sec A is ultimately what is that? It is hypotenuse by base. 12 by 5. Now suppose H equal to 12k, B equal to 5k. Then P square plus B square equal to H square. Then what is that? P square is not there. 5k whole square equal to 12k whole square. Ultimately what is that? P square equal to 144 k square minus 25 k square. So ultimately P equal to root of R. So how much you see? 119 k. Because 44 minus 25, so it is possible. So it is possible. Okay, perpendicular we got. So it is true. Then cos A is the abbreviation of used for the cosecant. No, cos came from cosine, so it is false. Cot A is a product of cot and A. No, that is also false. That is not correct. And sin theta equal to 4 by 3. It is also false. Check by this method. Check by this method. Whether is it possible or not. If possible, true. If not, then it will be false. Okay? So these are the solution of exercise 8.1. Now we'll go to the measure of different angles. Trigonometric values of different angle measure. So for that, we will have to draw quadrant. You got in linear equation in 2 variable graph you got. So let's see. Draw that. Now, first of all, you draw quadrant. First, second, third, fourth. Now here it is 0, then pi by 2, then pi, and this is thrice pi by 2, and then twice pi. This is the quadrant. Okay, so first quadrant is 90 degree, second quadrant lies between 90 and 180, third lies between 180 and 270, fourth lies between 270 and 360. Remember, my dear student, this is very, very important. Very, very important. Okay? And it has lot of application is also there. So please draw this and keep. And you match along with your graph. If you see graph also we are going this way only. Okay? So it is going anti-clockwise direction, not clockwise direction. So please draw this one. Now, this one, further of this one, will get in our next class. Further of this will get in our next class. So please go through this part. Now, we'll see the different values chart. One, two, three, four, and this is the number. Now, here angle. Suppose angle is theta, and here ratio. Now don't write down first. Please check. See, this is 0 degree. First is 0. The next is 30 degree. Now I have written pi by 2. Now pi has two values. One is numerical value. What is that? 22 by 7. And another is angle value. What is that? It is 180 degree. Okay? So 30 degree, if I represent by pi, what it will be that? Pi by 6. If you divide 180 degree by 6, we will get 30 degree. Then 45 degree. 45 degree. Or pi by 4. Then 60 degree. Or pi by 3. 90 degree. Or pi by 2. So any one of these two ways we can represent. 30 degree, pi by 6, 180 degree by 6 equal to 30 degree, so pi by 6. 45 degree, pi by 4, 180 degree by 4 equal to 45 degree. 60 degree pi by 3, 180 degree by 3 equal to 60 degree, 90 degree pi by 2 equal to 90. Is it clear? Okay. So then, see here, we'll write 1 by 1 ratio. First is sine theta. Now, sine theta, sine 0, theta will be replaced by this measurement. Sine 0 is 1 or 0. Sine 0 is 0. Sine 0 is not 1. Sine 0 is 0. Sine 30 degree, half. Sine 45 degree, 1 by root 2. Sine 60 degree, root 3 by 2. And sine 90 degree is 1. So this one you remember, and remaining all you can automatically will get. How? If we start reverse order you know, that means from back side. If we write from reverse side, that is 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, half 0. This is the value of cos theta. So cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. Cos 30 degree, root 3 by 2, just cross, sin, cos, sin 30 degree, cos 60 degree. Sin 30 degree value, cos 60 degree value. Cos 30 degree value, cos 60 degree, sin 60 degree value. So cross, okay? Now you got already last day, tan theta is a ratio of sin theta and cos theta. So then tan theta will be what? Tan theta equal to 0. 0 by 1. Then 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. See, 2 will be cancelled. So what will be left? 1 by root 3. Then here you see 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. It will be 1. In the last exercise you got a question. Tan theta, tan angle A is always less than 1. So you got, it is not true. Next, root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. 2 to cancel. So root 3. Here you see, root 3 value is 1.732. 1.732. So which is greater than 1? Okay. And then this one is undefined because any number divided by 0 is undefined, and undefined is represented by this symbol. Undefined is represented by this symbol. Okay? Then next, see, sine reciprocal is cosec. Cosec theta. So infinite, because once again 1 by 0, then this will be 2, this will be root 2, this will be 2 by root 3, and this will be 1. So see, if you remember sin theta value, these 5 angle measurement, you can get all the other trigonometric ratios value. You can get all the other trigonometric ratios value. Clear? Then cos reciprocal sec theta 1. See, just in reverse order, go on writing. 2 by root 3, root 2, 2, infinite. Okay? Then, which is the last one? Which is the last one? Cot theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. So here once again, infinity, root 3, 1, then here it will be what? 1 by root 3, and here it will be what? 0. Because cos 0 by 1. 0 by 1 is 0. So then one thing you can see, if you look to this chart, then one thing you can see, Sin 45, cos 45, same value. Sin 45, cos 45, same value. Tan and cot, same value. Cos and sec. Sec and cosec, same value. These two values are same. And what did I say? Sin 0 degree, cos 90 degree. Sin 30 degree, cos 60 degree. Sin 45 degree, cos 45 degree. Sin 60 degree, cos 30 degree. Sin 90 degree, cos 0 degree. So vice versa. So better you give equal sign. Then it will be easy to remember. Okay? So this thing you remember, sin 0 degree, cos 90 degree, sin 30 degree, cos 60 degree, sin 45, cos 45, sin 60, cos 30, sin 90 degree, cos 0 degree. Okay? So this is the chart, is most important chart, and these value please remember, then chance of mistake will be less. And last day also I told you, my dear student, please write and paste in front of your study table. Because you cannot by heart. You have to, when you see time and again, you can remember easily. Okay? Now, I'll do few questions related to that. Then we'll wind up for today. Few questions. Okay? So let's see. Sin 60 degree into tan 45 degree. Tan 45 is what? Tan 45 1 and sin 60 root 3. So root 3 by 2 into 1 equal to root 3 by 2. Then last day I have given a formula, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Let's see prove with that value. Sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Now sin square 30 degree is what? Half. And cos square 30 degree is what? Root 3 by 2. So let's see. 1 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Then what is that? 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Then what is that? 1 plus 3 by 4 equal to 1. So proof sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So this is the answer. Okay. Now let's see one more. Sin 30 degree, cos 90 degree, sec 45 degree. What is that? Half. Sec cos 90 degree 0. Then root 2 0. This is one question, another question. So 3 questions I have done. Today I will not do any more. So please, my dear student, please write down all these things in your copy and practice this one from the exercise as much as possible. And next we will start by exercise 8.2. Till that time, bye bye. Hope you will practice again and again and you will clear your conception. Okay? Thank you. Bye bye.